We need an intro.
There's no intro. What's going on, y'all? Today, just join us today eating some McDonald's here in the Philippines. Right? We just dumped everything on the plate, most McDonald's. So we got some fries here,
Rice. Everything comes with white rice.
got some crunchy fried chicken,
Crunchy fried
and they
chicken.
always serve rice like this shit, the wraps.
It's a rice cake.
Can't forget their gravy though. McDonald's definitely has one of the best fried chicken here in the Philippines. I know people talk about Jollibee, but I
It's
really,
very similar to how we cook fried chicken.
yeah, I know people talk about Jollibee, but I really like McDonald's.
Since being here, I've been eating rice with my hands, and I love it.
Absolutely. Um, some French fries. Gotta put that French fries in that gravy.
Yeah. Don't mind my plate. I got a Big Mac because I'm breastfeeding.
Let me get a bite. That looks good. I should have got a Big Mac.
I don't like it like that.
Uh, mm-hmm. Yep. Consistent.
I told my brother
Look, we twinning today with the big cup. Show him your cup.
we're twinning.
Twinning.
He didn't tell you. This was how I
Yeah,
was
she
raised.
introduced me to this ghetto life. I wasn't raised ghetto, you know?
You're corny. But I told my brother they serve fried chicken here in McDonald's. He said that's dirty. What y'all think? Should McDonald's in the States serve fried chicken? Would y'all go eat that?
I was just gonna say, if they make it like this, better than Popeyes.
It's like
Mm-hmm.
it tastes like the house. Like it tastes like you went over to your grandmother's house
And she fries
and
some
she
chicken.
fried chicken.
Yeah, it's very good. Mm.
He made
I,
this lemonade.
I really should have got that Big Mac though. That tastes good.
I think lemonade is the greatest drink. Lemonade, greatest invention.
Mm-mm.
You shaking your head. What drink
Well,
is better than lemonade?
you know what? The drinks that came to my head was a flavored lemonade,
There it is.
like passion fruit lemonade. Here in the Philippines, cucumber lemonades like everywhere.
Cucumber lemonade?
Oh, beautiful. I never had it until I came to the Philippines. Beautiful.
Never even heard of that. Never even thought of juicing a cucumber.
But cucumber lemonade. Never, wait, pause. You never thought about juicing a cucumber?
Yeah.
Never had like a smoothie with cucumber in it?
Is that juice?
It's a drink?
Is that juice?
Wait. No, we didn't have cucumber lemonade in the state. We had a green tea lemonade.
Exactly.
Route was good.
That's I think between cucumber lemonade and green tea lemonade, those are my two favorite drinks. If it ain't green, I don't want it.
No, chicken is good when you clean the bone like that.
Do you eat bones like me?
No, I'm not savage. You heard that ghetto shit, y'all? Do you eat bones like me?
Pause. That was crazy, right?
That's amazing.
Wait, hold on. How do you get more lemonade? You
You know,
drink your.
I mixed the Sprite that came with this lemonade.
I should have did that.
Yeah, no, you didn't like it.
Orange soda in the
Because
lemonade? That's crazy.
the fizz would have, no, would have been gone. She don't like soda when I lose the fizz. I don't really care.
Yeah, I do not drink flat soda.
I don't mind it.
Don't mind it. You drink flat soda.
Yeah.
Would
This is
you
real
drink?
good.
Would you drink soda with water in it?
Yeah, half an hour. So you feel a little more healthier. I would.
I drink water after a fat ass meal to feel healthy.
Let me know what you guys think. What's the best when you talking about fried
Get my
chicken?
hot sauce.
What's the best part of a chicken? I think it's the breast. If you can fry chicken like the breast really good and keep it juicy, to me,
If you gotta have skills to cook the breast is not the best
it's the
part.
best part.
It's the driest part if you don't have skills. The thigh
Uh-uh.
is juicy,
I'm a meat.
tender,
I'm a meat guy.
soft. The
Pause.
thigh
Pause.
is equivalent to a woman.
I said the most crazy shit just now. I'm a breast guy. The breast is the best part.
Breast be dry as hell. You know what eating a breast feel like?
What?
A well done steak. You sit there chewing.
She's wrong.
I'm bugging.
You're bugging.
Dry out a breast and eat it.
Why would I waste my time to do that? That's like, why would I waste my time cooking the steak to well done? That's what, like 12
I've
minutes?
had good well done steak.
No, you could have a good well done steak, but
At our steakhouse,
I always.
they made my well done steak perfectly.
Yeah, I remember.
It was not chewy
The T-bone steak. Very
like
good.
how y'all be gassing it.
Yeah, it was actually very good. It was a T-bone steak. But I say this. I always get steak. I had levels when I was a kid. Only wanted well done. Then I went to medium well. I'm currently at medium. I want to go to medium rare now.
Yeah.
I
After
wanna go
this
to
pregnancy
Yeah.
that I just had, because I was a well done. Only thing you could probably get me to taste was a medium well, but
Yeah.
I'm well done usually. After this pregnancy, I think I was low in iron or something because a red juicy piece of
Yeah,
meat,
she won that steak.
it could not be brown.
Forget medium. What? Forget medium rare. She
It had
won
to be
that steak
picky.
blue rare.
Okay. No, medium rare, and I like it like that now.
Yeah. I need to, elevate up to that level.
You need to elevate up to that level.
Yeah. 'Cause
What's
I'm at medium.
What's it gonna take?
No, I'm gonna do it next time we go to a steakhouse.
All right, so when are we gonna try blue rare?
That I'll probably never go to.
What's before blue rare?
Rare.
No.
I would never,
Boo.
like I would never. What? Like I would never eat like what is it called, steak tartare, like roast up with the eggs and stuff.
That's not ground beef.
It's like basically
It's ground beef with an egg on it.
yeah, with like stuff inside onions or whatever. I would never eat that. I'm sorry.
Never?
No, I would never try.
Even on this food journey
It's raw.
where we're trying all
When
this
it's completely raw, I can't do it.
completely raw, a
Yeah.
taste. You'll throw up?
Like guys,
I feel like you'll throw up.
the only type of sushi I ever had was like cooked sushi or veggie sushi.
Shrimp tempura.
Yeah, the only what I say, the only sushi I ever had was like cooked sushi or veggie, like a shrimp tempura, like fried cooked, or like a California roll or whatever it's called. I don't eat raw sushi, but now I want to indulge in that. I want to get that